Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's create some wall hanging for home decor. First I have an old cake base that's 10 inches in diameter. So let's start by applying a coat of gesso to the board. Allow the gesso to dry completely. Next I have taken a piece of cardboard and sketched an outline of a house with windows. Let's cut out this sketch to use it as a template. Trace this template onto plain cardboard sheets to create two more cutouts of the same shape. Now we have three house shapes ready. Set them aside for now. Once the gesso is dry, I have drawn Warli art on the board. I am combining Warli painting with Lippan art. So now I have got some Fevicryl molding clay with me. I am going to use it for Lippan art. First, I'll outline the Warli art using the clay. You can see in the video how I am adding details to the borders of the board with clay as well. Okay, all the outlines are covered. Now we just need to wait for the clay to harden completely. Next, let's move on to coloring the board. I am using different colors for this project. You can find the names of the colors I am using in the description below. Just follow along with the video demo for the painting process. I am also painting the house shapes. Once all the paintings are completed, let's move on to decorating using tiny craft mirrors. I am attaching the mirrors using Fevicol. In addition to craft mirrors, I have also used shining golden embroidery stones to beautify the project. If you are enjoying watching this video, please press the like button and also share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Finally, to hang the house shapes onto the board, I am using jute thread. I have braided the jute thread into 3 different sizes as you can see in the video. I am using 3 threads to hang the house shapes and 1 to hang the complete craft. After braiding the thread, I have applied masking tape to the end to prevent it from getting removed. To attach the thread, I have used Fevibond, and to make it even firmer, I have also sealed it using air dry clay. And that's it guys, a beautiful wall hanging for home decor is now ready. Let's take a final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep supporting as always. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep crafting and bye bye.